Alright, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the ChapStick Spring Collection. It includes green jelly bean, peaches and cream, and cotton candy. We are going to start with peaches and cream. There we go. It's a yellowish color. And it smells good. There we go. Next is cotton candy. Got it. Now I also have it as standalone, but it's blue. It smells good. When I bought this individually at CVS, when I bought cotton candy individually at CVS, I was expecting the wax to be pink. And last but not least, green jelly bean. Got it. That's a lighter green than I was expecting. Oh my god, that smells good. Anyways, that'll be it.